smells like this thing. That
The path of this storm includes Plainview, Crest, Claytonville, and Julia. Large hail is expected with this storm. If caught outside, take shelter in a sturdy building.
Just
Stay
about.
away from windows. A tornado watch is also...
Hey, we got a base over close now. Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one. That hit. Yeah, it did. Oh yeah, monster over there.
We're 6 miles
Holy
north of
I wouldn't get out.
Oh
shit!
There's some big
hail. Yeah, that was monster. Keep your window open.
Stay away from windows. A tornado watch is also in effect for the warned area.
Yeah, look at them splashing out there in the field.
I got that on film at least. Oh my
Oh, they're breaking on ground though.
Yeah.
But they are big.
Yeah, I'm fine. That was freaking awesome. That was awesome as hell.
Those are big stones.
Oh, now it's like water looking my butt.
Yeah, I'm sure. I felt there was a piece that broke off and hit me in the foot over here.
Yeah, what were those?
Those are probably close to baseballs.
Yeah, some of those are baseballs.
I'm not seeing any falling anymore though. No, never mind.
Oh, that one hit my windshield, didn't it?
Yeah, it broke apart though. They're soft.
Yeah.
Are they okay?
I don't think they.
Tell them we're gonna watch the tornado first.
I would say go now. There's not an imminent tornado. Yeah, there might have been a finger or a weak vortex possibly.
You can see it like connecting.
It's not the big one yet.
No, it's not.
The big one.
But look at that rotation.
Rotate.
Yeah, you can see funnels. I can see funnels on it. There might be dust near the ground even.
All right, how close do you guys want to get?
Yeah, we're right there. It's right inside, right? Because there's still the other edge is still over the.
The National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a tornado warning for western Floyd County.
We really need to get east of this.
Look at these people.
Oh man.
Yeah, we're taking RFD now.
Definitely.
Oh yeah, wait, careful, look in front of you.
Oh my God.
Careful in front of you.
All right,
This might
I'm passing this guy.
That's this guy.
Yep, that's definitely a tornado.
Yep.
Big tornado.
Yeah, definitely tornadoes.
We need to get up here. We need to get north.
Yeah, be careful.